Good morning, student. Welcome to all of you in YouTube channel of Icon Prep Public School, Kasipur, Samastipur. Today will be addition. Addition means जोड़. Add means जोड़ना. Here the symbol of addition is as written here. It is called plus. First of all, you are looking here. Here is written O and here T. O means ones. ONES ones. In Hindi, ones means इकाई. Here is also written T. T means tens. TENSE. Tens means in Hindi दहाई. Here are written under ones some numbers 5 and 6. Under tens is written 2 and 3. First of all, you have to find out the sum of 5 and 6. The sum of 5 and 6 is 11. Suppose 11, ones place is written 1. Now write down 1 here and left rest number is 1. Now find out the sum of 2 and 3. The sum of 2 and 3 is 5 and more 1 it is rest number. The 5 plus 1 6. The sum of 25 and 36 is 61. Second addition, here is written under ones place 7 and 6. Under tens is written 3 and 3. First of all, you have to find out the sum of 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Draw 7 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here is written 6. Also draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count total number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The sum of 7 and 6 is 13. You are looking here 1, 3, 13. 3 stands place of ones and 1 stands place of tens. So we put here place of ones is written 3. 3 puts here under ones place. Now find out the sum of 3 and 3. 3, now draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And under 3 is also 3. Also draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of line is 6, and rest number is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is written under tens. 7. Now the sum of 37 and 36 is 73. Next, all of you listen carefully and understand. Now look here. T, tens, ones. Here is written 8 as 1 place 8, and tens place is written 2. Now ones place is written 6, and tens place is written also 6. Now you are looking here. Under ones is written 8 and 6. Tens place is written 2 and 6. You also find out the sum of 8 and 6. Now draw the lines. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is written 6. And also draw 6 lines more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count the total number of line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. The sum of 8 and 6. The sum of 8 and 6 is 14. Now write here. Now write here 14. You are looking here. 4 stands place of ones, and 1 stands place of tens. Here the sum of 8 and 6 is 14. So 4 stands place of 1. So write down 4 under one's place. And rest is 1. 1 add the sum of 2 and 6 place of tens. Here the sum of 2 and 6 is 8. The sum of 2 and 6 is 8, and rest number is 1 here. Now include the sum of 2 and 6. 1 includes 2 and 6. The 2 and 6 is 8, and plus 1, 9. Now the sum of 28 and 66 is 94. Next also listen carefully. Suppose T tens, ones, 4 is written under ones place, and also 4 is written under tens place. 5 is written under ones place, and 3 is written under tens place. Now you have to find out the sum of 44 and 35 as 4, the sum of 4 and 5 is 9. Only one digit here, only one digit. 9 is written under 4. You write down 9 under ones. Next, find the sum of 4 and 3. The sum of 4 and 3 is 7. Now rest number is no. Here no any rest number. So the sum of 4 and 3 is 7. Now the sum of 44 and 35 is 70 now. In this way, you can find out the sum of 44 and 35. And in this way, you also learn addition. Next, at last example is here. Tens, ones, 9, 2, 5 and 6. Now you have to find out the sum of 29 and 65. Ones place is written 9 and 5. First of all, find out the sum of 9 and 5. First, draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is written 5. Also draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now write here 14. In this number, 4 is written place of 1 and 1 is written place of tens. 4 stands place of 1 and 1 stands place of tens. The sum of 9 and 5 is 14. So you write here 4 under ones place. And now rest 1. Now 1 right here. Now find out the sum of 2 and 6. The sum of 2 and 6. Now draw 2 lines, 1, 2. And here is written 6. Also draw 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum of 2 and 6 is 8. And also rest number is 1. The 8 plus 1, 9. Understand? In this way, you can learn addition. And now also I give you some questions for solve you. Thank you. Okay.